Hello, smart investors. My name is Gabriel Eyo. I'm the facility manager for Fairfield Apartments. I'm here to take you on a tour for our 2-bedroom and our 3-bedroom apartment. Come along while I take you on this tour. Now, a 2-bedroom apartment commanding 95 square meters with an ante corner or a foyer. It has a visitor's toilet over here, well detailed. We have a room number 1. All rooms are in suite with toilet and shower area. And this is to show you how functional this apartment could be and how you could get ideas as to how you can furnish it peradventure you buy and you're thinking of using it for short leg or for rental income purposes. This is the living room, very sizable living room. It has an open kitchen. Now the beauty about this open kitchen, it makes you very close to your kitchen. You could always have your meal on the countertop and disengage. This is the master's, fantastic. It looks very, very, very sizable. Now it comes with also a toilet and also a shower area with a 15-liter water heater for your convenience. Our 2-bedroom fully finished apartment goes for 20 million naira. The beauty is that you can do a down payment of 4 million naira and spread the balance within 1 year without interest. Peradventure, you're also looking out for a semi-finished apartment. Say for a 2-bedroom, it goes for 16 million naira. Now a semi-finished apartment comes with all external works concluded. It comes with also the external doors being fitted. But internally, you come in to take care of your internal space, while we take care of the M&E first and second fix to your wiring level. Such an apartment comes for 16 million naira. You could also do a down payment of 4 million naira and spread the balance within 1 year. Upon completion, this fantastic apartment will be allocated to you. I'm going to be taking you to a 3-bedroom apartment. Now this is a 3-bedroom apartment, same design. This room is a special room. It comes with a walk-in closet, a wash area, that's a toilet and the shower area. You can see how sizable the room is. Now come along as well. Wow, fantastic. Now this is the living room. You can see very sizable living room with a kitchen, open kitchen concept. It comes also with a pantry or a store at the other end. This room number 2, sizable room. It also comes with its own toilet and also wash area. Now this is the master's. Wow, you can imagine. Look at this, very sizable with also a toilet and also a wash area with also a 15-liter water heater. Wow, I know you like what you have seen. You can own this apartment for just 25 million naira. All you need to do is to do a down payment of 4 million naira and spread the balance within 1 year without interest. If you're also considering having this as a semi-finished apartment, it goes for 21 million naira. You could also do a down payment of 4 million naira and spread the balance within 1 year without interest. Remember, delay is expensive. You can key in now by calling the numbers on your screen, or you visit our website www.middlechase.com for more inquiry on how to get started. Thank you.